We have already studied about addition. Today we will see how we can perform addition of 5-digit numbers and greater numbers. So let's start with these two numbers. So we have 23752 plus 35246. Now, as we can see, both these numbers are 5-digit numbers. So how do we go about addition of these two numbers? Well, we will place one number below the other number, and it will be in such a way that units place is under units place, tens place is under tens place, hundreds place is just under hundreds place, and so on. Now, once we have written it exactly like this, we will start addition. So we'll start with the units place. So we have 6 and 2. Now 6 plus 2 is 8, right? So this is 8. Now next we have 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then we have 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 again is 9. Next we have 5 plus 3, that is 8. And then we have 3 plus 2, that is 5. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 58998. So this is how we perform addition of 5-digit numbers. Now again we have two 5-digit numbers and we have to perform addition. So how do we do it? First of all, we'll place one number below the other. So this is how we place these two numbers. So you will notice that we have placed 3 below 9 because 9 is in the units place for this number and 3 is in the units place for this number. So we have placed 3 below 9 and both are in the units place. Similarly, we have placed 6 below 3 here because 3 is in the tens place for this number and 6 is in the tens place for this number. And similarly, we have placed the other numbers too. Now, once we have done this placement, then we'll start addition. So we have 9 plus 3. Now 9 plus 3 is 12. Now you will notice that 12 is a 2-digit number. But we have to write only one digit here. So what will we do? Well, we will place the number in the units digit here and the number in the tens digit will be carried on here. That is just above the tens digit place. So we have 12. 2 is in the units place. So we'll write 2 here and 1 will be carried forward here. Now let's add the numbers in the tens place. So we have 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 and then we also have 1 which was carried forward. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Again we have a 2-digit number. So what we'll do is we'll place the units digit here. So 0 is here and we have 1 in the tens place. That will again be carried over. Now we have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. This is a 1-digit number, so there is no complication. We'll write 7. Now next we move here. So 8 plus 5. Now 8 plus 5 is 13, right? So again we have 2-digit number. So we write the units digit here, that is 3 and 1 is carried over. Now we have 6 plus 2, that is 8 and we add 1 to that, we get 9. So we have 93702 which is the answer here. And how did we get this answer? With the help of addition with carry. So we performed addition with carry where digits were carried over and we performed addition accordingly. So this is how you would add two 5-digit numbers. Now we have these two numbers. First is a 7-digit number 1104451, and then we also have a 6-digit number 368150. Now when we add these two numbers, first of all we'll have to write these one below the other. So what we do is we write the first number as it is, and then we have to write the second number, but the placement is very important. How do we place the second number? So let's see. Here 0 is in the units place for this number and 1 is in the units place for this number. So what we do is we place 0 just below 1. Similarly, 5 here is in the tens place for this number, and here too 5 is in the tens place for this number. So what we do is we place this 5 below this 5. So we have placed it like this. Similarly, we place all the other digits according to their places, and once we have written it like this, then we start adding them. So first of all, let's consider the units digits. So we have 1 and 0, that is 1 plus 0, that will be 1. Next we'll consider the tens place. So 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, which is a 2-digit number. So we'll place the units digit 0 of 10 here, and the tens digit 1 will be carried over here. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, and with 5 we add this carried over 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now here we have 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Again we have a 2-digit number. So we place the units digit, that is 2, here, and the tens digit 1 is carried over here. Now we have 6 plus 0 is 6, and then we add the carried over 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, here we have 3 plus 1, that is 4, and we don't have anything to add to 1. So 1 will come as it is. So this is the final answer, 1472601, and we were able to reach this answer by adding these two numbers. Now that you have already added these numbers, can you solve this particular question? So we have 681647 plus 15341. So what will be the answer for this addition? What do you think? Well, let's see what will be the right answer. So we have 6, 8, 1, 6, 4, 7, and we have 15341. Now it's very important that we place units digit under units digit. So 1 will come under 7, 4 will come under 4, 3 will come below 6, 5 will come below 1, and 1 will come below 8, and we'll perform addition. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 6 will come as it is. So we have 696988, and this is the final answer. Now let's see another set of numbers. Now here we have 805 416 58. So how many digits do we have? 8 digits here, and we have another number which is 658 72541. So this is also an 8-digit number. Now if we add them, then we'll have to write one below another, and we'll make sure that units place is under units place, tens place is under tens place, and so on. So this is how this has been placed. Now we'll start the addition. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 4 is also 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have a 2-digit number. So 1 of the units place will come here, and 1 of the tens place will be carried over. Now we have 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this carried over 1 will be added with it. So 3 plus 1, 4. Next we have 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is again 11. So 1 of the units place will come here, and 1 of the tens place will be carried over. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is added with 1 that was carried over. So we have 14. Again we have 2-digit number. So 4 of the units place comes here, and 1 of the tens place is carried over. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, and plus 1 will be 6. And 8 plus 6 is 14, and 14 is a 2-digit number. But we don't have any more addition to perform. So we can write the 2-digit number as it is. So 8 plus 6, 14 will be written as it is. So this is the final answer. So this is how you will perform addition for larger numbers. For example, these two numbers, which are 8-digit numbers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.